Hi, so I'm going to show you how to use this virtual machine to do a tutorial for JavAdaptor plugin. So JavAdaptor comes as an Eclipse plugin which is used for facilitating dynamic software updates for Java. So to begin, you can refer to these useful links on the desktop. There's a link to the video, there's a link to the JavAdaptor jar file, then the Eclipse should already be launched on the virtual machine. If it's not, you can use this shortcut to launch it. Then you should require just the README file, and I'll tell you why in a minute. First of all, you can just start the Java project called Snake Demo using the JavaAdaptor configuration. So we are going to try 4 updates on this application, which will be dynamic. So once the application starts, you can see a snake roaming around in some black area. You can now connect to the JavaAdaptor plugin using the connect button here. Now you can refer to the README file. The README file will tell you which files need to be updated for which update. So for update 1, you only need to update the field painter.java file. So once you reach that file, you just have to look for the to-do comments. They will tell you what to do. For example, this to-do comment for update 1 tells you to remove the comment from the next line. Similarly, this one tells you to comment the next line. So basically we are making code changes, and so that we don't waste time, we have just facilitated them using comments. After you have made the changes, save it and then reload the application. Click on OK, and now you can see the first update caused the map to turn colored, and it added a barricade and it added collision event handling. Now you can go for the next update. Again, go to the README file. It will tell you that the next update requires 2 files, entity helpings and game field. So let's go to those files. Entity helpings, you can look for the to do update. Okay, update 2, save. Now you go for game field. It tells you to remove comments from these 4 lines. So do that. Save. And after you're saved, reload the app. Okay. Okay. So the update 2 adds bugs and logic to hunt and catch them. So you can see the blue bug on the map now and the snake catching it. The update 3, the next update which we're trying to do, is a bit complicated one, in that we are requiring to change the inheritance hierarchies. We are going to add logic for flies, and we are going to create a new entity which will contain both bugs and flies. So let's proceed with that. For update 3, we'll require to edit game field, bug and painter. So let's start with game field. So you can see this one is for update 3. Remove the comment, we do that. Then you can see this one is for update 3, and you have to add comment here. Okay. Now we go for bug.java file, and we just need to remove the comment from here. Add a comment here. And now we go for the last file, which is painter.java, where we have to add a comment here. And we all set. So let's reload again. So now you can see that the bug has changed into a fly, and the snake will catch flies. So now for the fourth and final change, we are going to add some level completion logic, and the files which we'll need to edit are game field and snake. So let's first edit snake. There are 2 changes which you can see as these blue icons on the scroll bar. The first one is to remove this comment, and next one is to add comment here. And we need to make changes in game field as well. So we need to remove the comment here, and we need to add the comment here. Just making sure there's no other change required in this file. And I think we're good. So let's reload the JavAdaptor plugin. And now you should see the snake capturing the fly and finally going into the hole. So you can see the snake disappearing to the hole and a new round starting. So through this video we have demonstrated to you how JavAdaptor facilitates the dynamic software updates for Java projects. And if you're looking for the tutorials to this video, you can look at this tutorial by the original authors. Then there's also a installation link which tells you on how to install JavAdaptor on a new Eclipse application from scratch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.